This is like my favorite. Just gonna lay them out here real quick. Your smell cam, but hey girls, what's up? So today we are going to be getting my kids' Valentine's baskets ready. I am so excited. I've been kind of dreaming about what I'm going to do for them. This is like the only holiday that I really do up big with like a gift or something besides Christmas. Now, there's two reasons for this. For one, this is like my favorite holiday that my mom did something for. She normally got us, like did a really beautiful tablescape, and we had like a fancy table setting for a dinner, and maybe we'd do like a tea party or breakfast for dinner, or she'd make a special dessert to go with a normal meal we were having, but we would decorate it up really pretty with like a tablecloth and doilies and get out the fancy plates and everything, and that just really stuck with me. It was such a fun thing. She just made it so special, and it was so fun to me. Now, I started this tradition when I only had one son, and we had pretty much nothing going on besides Avery and I's anniversary is actually in February, but I kind of love that we get to do the Valentine's Day thing and our anniversary. It's like the month of love. Now I have another kid with a birthday then, and a birthday coming up in March, April, May. It just keeps going from here. So it's gotten a little more wild. So we are starting this early. One, for my sanity, and also so that I can give you guys some ideas if you're looking for something to do for your kids. So let me show you what I've kind of collected up for them for their little Valentine's baskets, and then I'll show you what I'm thinking for like our Valentine's Day like special dinner activity. All right, so I've been kind of collecting up. This whole basket isn't all for Valentine's Day. It's just kind of what I got put together for like all the birthdays coming up too. So let me show you kind of what I've got going, and then we'll make the baskets and get it all put together. I ended up buying like a heart silicone mold. I'm thinking we're gonna make some like gummy candy. I saw these really cute heart veggie straws. So a little treat that's not a sugar thing. I ended up picking up a little bit of Valentine's Day tissue paper because my tissue supplies very minimal at the moment. This I got at Hobby Lobby last year. It's like a wipeable tablecloth. So I thought that would be a fun investment, something I can bring out year after year, because it's wipeable and great for the age of my kids right now. I have 5, 3, and 1. Yeah, I pretty much threw any of my Valentine stuff in here. So I've got like some fun heart stickers. We might save those for more of a card. And then I've got these little heart baskets that I bought from Walmart, and they still are making them. They have like I saw a red, a pink, like a mauvey pink color, and a blue, like just a classic blue. These are like a teal. You can tell I've bought them in different years, but so fun that they've been having them every year. So if you're not fully done having kids, these would be a great investment because you can buy enough for your kids currently, but next year I bet they will have them and continue. And they're not super big, so you don't need a lot of stuff to make this seem like a big gift, okay? And then what else did I get? Oh, I got a pink colored juice for our gummies, and I've got socks. Okay, so that's kind of what we're doing. Oh, and then I found these little like bath bombs. They're individually wrapped, so it's like a big pack, but I'll just give them each one of them. I liked these because they're not colored, so we won't be having to scrub the bathtub. And currently, being this pregnant, I'm like 6-ish months pregnant right now. Like scrubbing the bathtub, definitely not my favorite job. So let me grab a little something, and we're gonna get this stuff all packaged up for them. Just gonna lay them out here real quick. got all 3 baskets. Tissue. Okay, I am hoping that the socks fit. But this is kind of what I was envisioning. I would just wrap the socks in the tissue. That would be kind of the backdrop to the gift. Okay, as I'm looking at this, I think we're gonna do it like wrapped socks first. Yeah, that just looks better. We've got the little basket, our socks, and the wrapping paper. This made this gift way cuter. They've actually been begging for new socks. So I normally try to do super practical things, then maybe like an activity or something we can do as part of our Valentine's Day, along with like a treat and something kind of fun. So that's where the bath bombs is like a super simple, just use it that day item. You know, they can take a bath in the evening and that'll be really fun. Oh my, okay. I was just trying to smell them right because they're smell cam, but. Then last, we're just going to use these little summer strawberry fruit snacks. So this would be like the little treat element. All right, and so that is their Valentine's basket. Something really practical, 2 little fun treats, and something to do in the evening. So really cute, really simple. Not a super expensive basket. Obviously the most expensive thing in here was the socks, but that was a practical need. So I'll have these ready. Okay, so now that I've got these all ready, they turned out so cute. The perfect amount of stuff, very practical. I mean, only one little sugarier thing. So very easy. I do have some fun, colorful sprinkles that we'll get to use on their breakfast. We'll either do pancakes or waffles with, I'll order like a spray, like a Cool Whip, or we might whip up our own Cool Whip. I'm thinking though, we're probably gonna be at just out of the can quick. And I have some dye-free pink Valentine's sprinkles to add, so that'll make the breakfast meal super fun. And I will have already set the table with our cute tablecloth, so we'll have the cute tablecloth, then we can have the sprinkles. That'll be really great. So I'm just gonna throw these back in my bin. We'll get our little gelatin project made up. Oh, and the other fun thing, this was, I think, $5 and it had 5 bath bombs. So such a good price. If I can find them, they probably have them at your like Walmart or Target. I believe most of this stuff's actually from Walmart or Target's, but I'll link anything that's on Amazon just in case that's easier for you or you want to see. But I'm excited about these. I'm going to just go put them in my bathroom, stock, and grab a basket to put our little gelatin gummy activity in. All right, I found a basket. It's not pink or anything, but I just found a basket from my cupboard of organizing things. So this will work. We'll put a little bit of tissue in the bottom, some white, and I might have to set it down and then just show you. Bear with me here. We're going to do some white, some red, maybe another red. Give it that cuteness. Then we have a little, oh, maybe we need actually the reds up front. White and white. Do our little silicone tray in there. Look at that with the hearts, how cute. Okay. Do a little juice. That is what I'm envisioning, but do our colorful juice here, and then our gelatin powder we'll need to make it. Little gummy, gelatin gummy making kit, very Valentine's Day, so we can put this out for our fun cooking thing, and then we'll have the other gifts ready for their like fun little special treat. I'm hoping to write them like a little card and have that set out probably in front of their basket so they know whose is whose. I was thinking I'd probably stick one of these on like a little piece of white cardstock right on the back of it, and then be just a cute little addition to it, plus something they could keep in their little bin of special cards. And then for other decor that I'm thinking, I got for my birthday last year like a banner with cream and brown balloons, but it also came with some heart balloons, some foil heart balloons. So I'm thinking we'll blow those up and make like a little backdrop. And then I will take a picture of each of them for Valentine's Day with my Polaroid camera so they can put that in their special little like scrapbook notebooks that I have, along with some pictures on my phone for their like for our actual memory book, not just fun ones that I let them carry around and look through whenever they want. So I think that should be super fun, and it's all stuff that won't take very long. I mean, I have an air pump for the balloons, so I'll probably need like 10-15 minutes the night before to blow up the balloons and set them up on the wall and throw out the tablecloth and these already wrapped up gifts. So this is a really quick thing to get prepped, but it is going to make the Valentine's Day celebration so extra special for them. I hope they love it and it's something that they remember. I know my 5-year-old's already talking about, Mom, I love when you make us those special heart baskets with treats and stuff. So I'm hopeful that they're all going to have those types of memories. And like I said, I'll link anything I can down below just in case you're looking for something fun for your kids for Valentine's Day and inspo. You should have plenty of time to get it here before that actual celebration happens. And then future videos coming up, I've got some pregnancy fashion stuff that we'll be sharing, some gift guides for your kids if you have birthdays coming up or you're just trying to get ahead and start thinking for Christmas, looking for good deals on stuff for that. I know it's so early to be thinking about that in January, but if you're anything like me, you're already budgeting and planning for some of those purchases. So to have some ideas in advance just makes it all the easier. So that type of content will be up in the next couple of weeks. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have the most blessed day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.